Hello students, in this video let's learn multiplying the rational numbers, multiplication of rational numbers and division of rational numbers. Now we are going to multiply these two rational numbers, minus 3 by 10 multiply by minus 8 by 15. So when you are going to multiply the rational numbers, first let's multiply the sign. Minus into minus plus. The answer is becoming positive. Then let me write the remaining rational numbers. 3 by 10 into 8 by 15, because the sign became positive. Minus into minus plus. So in answer we have positive only. After multiplying the sign, let's see, is there any one numerator and denominator? I mean, is there a pair having common factor? See now, 3 and 15, they have common factor. One numerator, another denominator. We are taking one numerator and one denominator. Do they have any common factor? Yes, see, this pair is having common factor 3. Likewise, one more pair also, is it or not? One numerator and one denominator, 8 and 10, they have common factor 2. So first let's take one pair. So if you take 3 and 15, both are having common factor 3. Is it? These two have common factor 3. So let's divide by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 5s are 15. We are dividing the numerator and denominator having the common factor 3. So we divided by 3. Now we received 1 and 5 here. Then likewise, let's take these 2. Let's divide. Both have common factor 2. So 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. So now see whether is there any numerator and denominator, is there any pair having common factor? No. Is it? Here we have 1 and 4 and here we have 5 and 5. They are not having any common factor. So at this time, let's multiply the remaining numerators and multiply the denominators. 1 4s are 4 by 5 5s are 25. So we get the answer as 4 by 25. Let's see one more example. Here again we have two rational numbers and we are multiplying. And here also first let's multiply the sign. Minus into minus plus. So the next step is becoming 1 by 4 and multiply by 4 by 3. So next step, you need to see whether is there any pair, that is numerator and denominator, not numerator to numerator, not denominator to denominator. One numerator, one denominator. See now, these two are having common factor 4. Is it? So let's divide these directly. No, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. And check whether is there any other pair having common factor. No. So now finally multiply the numerators, the leftover remaining numerators. Here 1 and here also 1. So multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. So 1 1s are 1 by 1 3s are 3. Let's see some more examples. So minus 18 multiply by 6 into minus 5 by 10. Minus 18 by 6 multiply by 5 by 10. So as usual, first multiply the sign. So here minus and here plus is hiding. So minus into plus minus. Okay, we will be having in answer minus only. So now before going to write the answer, let's see whether is there any numerator and denominator having common factor. See, if you take 5, it is in numerator, you should see the denominator. In denominator, is there any factor, is there any number coming which is divisible by the same common factor? Shall we take 5 and 10? Is it? numerator 5 and denominator 10, both are having common factor, is it? So let's divide these two by common factor 5 one time. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Now again you check whether is there any numerator and denominator having common factor. So I don't have space there, so let me copy the number. I'm just copying with negative because we will have answer with negative only. So now the remaining I picked up 1 by 2. So again you check here whether is there any numerator and denominator having common factor. We can take 2 pairs. See, 18 and 6 both are having common factor 6, or 3 also you can take, is it? Even no, if you would like to take 18 and 2, numerator 18, denominator 2, that is also possible because both are having common factor 2. Any one pair you have to take, either 18 and 2 or 18 and 6, like that you can take. Anyhow, finally you will be getting correct answer. So now let's take 18 and 2. So we both have common factor 2. So let's divide. 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. Okay, so the next again you can see, is there any numerator and denominator having common factor? See, 9 and 6, is it? Both have common factor, which is 3. So let's divide the 9 and 6 by 3. 3 threes are 9, 3 twos are 6. Now the remaining factors, numerator 3 and 1 and the denominators 2 and 1. So now you can see whether is there any numerator and denominator having common factor. No, is it? So let's multiply the remaining numerators. 3 ones are 3 by 2 ones are 2, and negative is remaining because already in the beginning itself minus into plus, minus, single minus only there. So we will have in the answer minus 3 by 2. So now let's go for division. 3 by 4 divided by minus 1 by 4. We are going to divide these two rational numbers. Division of rational numbers directly is not possible. We cannot divide the rational numbers directly. So here we need to keep the dividend as it is. In division, the terms, this is called dividend and this is called divisor, is it? So don't change the dividend. Keep the dividend as it is. Then we cannot divide directly, no? So multiply by multiplying the multiplicative inverse, reciprocal of the divisor. Multiplicative inverse of the divisor. So reciprocal of minus 1 by 4 or multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 4 becomes minus 4 by 1. Is it inverse, multiplicative inverse? Once again, we cannot divide the rational numbers directly, so don't change the dividend. The first rational number, whatever comes, copy as it is. Then change the operation because we cannot divide directly. So multiplying by the reciprocal of the divisor. Multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. So it is becoming what? Denominator is becoming numerator, numerator is becoming denominator. See, now it turned as multiplying the rational numbers, is it? So now as usual, first we will multiply the sign, plus into minus, minus. Then you see whether is there any numerator and denominator having common factor. Here of course 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So now no other common factor, numerator to denominator. So multiply the leftover numerators, then leftover denominators. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3 by 1 ones are 1 and minus. So don't forget we are dealing with rational numbers. Plus into minus minus. So minus 3 by 1 becomes what? Minus 3. Let's see some more examples. Minus 15 divided by minus 3 by 5. So now we are going to divide the rational numbers. So as usual, we cannot divide the rational numbers directly. So don't change the dividend. Whatever the dividend comes, don't change it. Copy as it is. Don't change the dividend. We cannot divide directly, no, so we are changing the operation into multiplication by multiplying the reciprocal of the divisor. Don't forget here in this step, when you change the operation, change this divisor. Reciprocal of minus 3 by 5 becomes what? Minus 5 by 3. Is it? The sign, no changes. We change only the position. I mean numerator becomes denominator. Denominator becomes numerator. So now we received like this. Actually here hiding denominator 1. We can show or we can leave. So now this became as multiplying the rational numbers. So as usual, multiply the sign first. Minus into minus plus. Okay, the sign answer is becoming positive. Then check whether is there any numerator and denominator having common factor. Here 5 numerator but denominator no number having factor, same factor. If we can take this pair, is it 15 and 3? Both are having common factor 3. Both will come in 3 table, is it? So we can simplify by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 fives are 15. So let's multiply the remaining numbers, because you check here the numerator 5, here also minus 5 and denominator 1, here also the denominator became 1. Is it? 1 ones are 1. Then mean we cannot simplify further. So multiply the numerators. 5 into minus 5. Here also minus remaining. That's why minus into minus plus 5 fives are 25 by 1 what? It becomes 25 only. So the answer is 25. See last example, 7 by 8 divided by 3 by 6, or let's take 3 by 5. We are going to divide. As usual, we cannot divide the rational numbers directly. So what do? Don't change the dividend. Copy the dividend as it is. Multiply by reciprocal of the divisor. Multiplicative inverse of the divisor, 5 by 3. Now you see whether is there any numerator and denominator having common factor. We don't have any numerator and denominator having common factor. So at this position what do? Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, because there is no numerator and denominator having common factor. So at this case what do? Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. So 7 fives are 35 by 8 threes are 24. That's all. We cannot simplify further since it is improper fraction, so we can change into mixed form. Like that we can simplify.